Have you ever felt like your credit score is this big, mysterious number that's secretly controlling your financial life? It can be intimidating, but what if I told you that it's not a mystery at all, and that you have complete control over it? In this video, we'll demystify the credit score, break down the simple rules that govern it, and reveal how mastering this one number can unlock incredible financial opportunities. We'll also share how a commitment to faith and diligent effort can lead to a better financial future. Don't go anywhere, because your journey to building a powerful credit score starts now. Let's begin with the basics. What is a credit score, and why is it so incredibly important? Think of your credit score as your financial passport. It's a 3-digit number, typically ranging from 300 to 850, that lenders use to judge your creditworthiness, how likely you are to repay borrowed money. A high score tells lenders that you are a responsible borrower, making you a less risky candidate for a loan. This, in turn, opens up doors to a world of financial opportunities. It can determine if you get approved for a mortgage to buy a home, what interest rate you get on a car loan, if you can rent an apartment, and even the rates you pay for insurance. It can also, in some cases, be a factor that employers consider when you apply for a job. Your credit score isn't just a number, it's a powerful tool that you can learn to control to get the best deals and unlock your financial potential. Now, let's pull back the curtain and reveal the 5 key factors that directly influence your credit score. Understanding these is the secret to building and maintaining a strong score. First, payment history, the most important. This is the biggest factor, accounting for about 35% of your score. Lenders want to see a history of paying your bills on time. A single late payment can have a significant negative impact. Second, amounts owed, credit utilization. This is the second most important factor, accounting for 30% of your score. This looks at how much of your available credit you are actually using. For example, if your credit card has a 1,000 unit limit and you owe 500 units, your utilization is 50%. Keeping this number low, ideally under 30%, and even better, under 10%, shows lenders that you are not over-reliant on credit. Third, length of credit history. This makes up 15% of your score. Lenders like to see a long history of responsible borrowing. The longer your accounts are open and in good standing, the better it is for your score. Fourth, credit mix. This accounts for 10% of your score. Lenders like to see that you can responsibly manage different types of credit, such as a credit card, revolving credit, and an installment loan, like a car loan or mortgage. And last, new credit. The final 10% of your score is about new credit. Opening a lot of new credit accounts in a short period of time can be seen as a risk. So it's best to be strategic and only open new accounts when you truly need them. By focusing on these 5 factors, you have a clear roadmap to building the score you want. So, what if you have little to no credit history and you want to build a score from zero? This can feel daunting, but a smart approach makes it easy and fast. Number 1. Get a secured credit card. This is the best first step. It works like a normal credit card, but you provide a cash deposit to the bank as your credit limit. For example, you deposit 500 units of currency, and your credit limit is 500 units. You use it for small purchases, pay the balance off in full every month, and the bank reports your good payment history to the credit bureaus. After 6 to 12 months of responsible use, you can often get an unsecured card and get your deposit back. Number 2. Become an authorized user. If a trusted family member has a credit card with a long positive history, they can add you as an authorized user. Their good credit history can then be reflected on your credit report, giving you a head start. Number 3. Consider a credit builder loan. Some credit unions and banks offer these. They lend you a small amount of money, which they hold in a locked savings account while you make regular payments. Once the loan is paid off, you get the money, and you have a positive payment history on your credit report. Number 4. Timely bill payments. Even bills that don't directly affect your score, like your rent or utility bills, can sometimes be reported to credit bureaus if you're late. A good habit of paying all your bills on time is the best foundation you can build, regardless of whether it's for a credit card or a utility bill. Building credit from zero is a marathon, not a sprint. With a diligent approach, you can and will achieve your goals. Finally, let's put it all together with the professor's list of simple do's and don'ts to help you build and maintain a powerful credit score for a secure future. List of do's are: do pay your bills on time, every time. Set up automatic payments for your minimums so you never miss a due date. Do keep your credit card balances low. Try to use less than 10% of your available credit to show lenders you are responsible. Do check your credit report regularly for errors. You can get free copies from credit bureaus. Do keep old, paid-off credit accounts open if they have a long, positive history. This helps your length of credit history. Now for the list of don'ts. Don't apply for a lot of new credit cards or loans at once. It can signal risk. Don't close your oldest credit accounts. It will shorten your credit history. Don't make late payments. If you're struggling, talk to your lender and see if you can work out a payment plan. Don't let your credit score define you. It's a tool, and by mastering these rules, you are taking back control of your financial destiny, one step at a time. Remember, building a strong credit score is a reflection of your commitment to financial discipline. It's a journey of diligent effort, but it's a journey that's worth every step for the freedom and opportunities it will unlock. Now it's time for giveaways and growth, as you guys are awesome, and your chance is now. To enter, comment instantly with the precise learning you genuinely gain from our video. This is where you prove you were here, that you truly absorb it. Fair warning, we rigorously check winner comments for real engagement. If your comment gives off fake vibes or is unreal, you'll lose the reward. All the must-know giveaway details are in that dedicated video link in the description. This is it: explosive finance knowledge, relentless support, and verified paths to explode your wealth. Think smart, act now, and become unstoppable. Like, subscribe, and let's truly unleash your financial power in the next video.